Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Sometimes when you are playing radio, you get a little bit of that ear fatigue. I'm going to try out a new speaker that I found, and it's supposed to remove a whole bunch of that ear nonsense that we get after spending a whole day in front of the radio by doing some type of filter magic to filter out background noise, and I don't know if it's going to work. Let's go try and find out. This is the Trevolo U speaker by BenQ, and it comes with a couple of different modes. Mode number 1 is for music, mode number 2 is for video learning, and mode number 3 is for live learning. And mode number 3 is the one that we're going to be interested in because that is the one that, first off, enables the microphone and the push to talk, so we can do Vox and actually use it with our radios. But you can still listen on other modes. Music mode provides most balanced sound quality for music and entertainment purpose. Video learning mode provides best vocal quality for online learning. Live learning mode provides smart echo control for best microphone performance in addition to best vocal quality. Microphone will automatically be switched on in this mode. One thing that does happen when we are on YouTube, first off, you're going to be hearing this speaker through my microphone, so there's some processing there. Then it's going to go through my video editing software, there's going to be some processing there. Then it's going to get uploaded to YouTube. YouTube's going to do some processing there. And then finally, it's going to come out of your speakers. What you want to do is listen for the difference between the 3 different modes and understand that it is going to sound a little bit different to you in person, probably better to you in person than it does after all of the compression and all of the processing that goes on to bring it to your ears through YouTube. All right, we have the ICOM 705 and it is paired up over Bluetooth to this speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker, but it also does come with regular audio cables if you don't have a Bluetooth setup.
All right, you are 5x7 into Abilene, Kansas, sir. Have a good day in 7-3.
So we'll switch through the modes. This is music mode.
Eisenhower Special Event Station,
This
Whiskey
is
5
video
Echo,
learning
calling
mode.
CQ and stand.
And then this is live learning mode.
Was that Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu Fox Quebec?
There's mode music.
All right, I got, hold on, make this work yet. So I got Robert in North Carolina. All right, Kilo Quebec 4,
And then live
Juliet
learning.
Foxtrot Quebec.
I think live
Thanks
learning
for,
sounds the best for this.
for having your patience with me, sir. You are 5x5 into Abilene, Kansas, Kilo Sierra. 7-3, sir. Have a good day. Whiskey 5 Echo, calling CQ and standing by.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
That's right, Roger, Roger. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You are 5'9" in Livingston, Texas.
Steve, you're 5x5 here into Abilene, Kansas, sir, for the Eisenhower Special Event.
Copy the 5'5". Thank you for the contact, 73.
73, sir. Have a great day from Whiskey 5 Echo, QRZ.
That was Texas to Kansas on 5 watts.
CQ, Eisenhower Special Event Station, Whiskey 5 Echo, calling CQ and standing by.
His voice is really clear, so pay attention when he comes through a couple of different times.
I got a Kilo Alpha 3 station. Come back, please.
This is still on live learning mode. And this microphone right here is probably 2 feet away from my mouth, and he was able to give me a 5'5".
QSL, you said you're a special event station? Yes, it's a special event station for the Eisenhower birthday. And the special event station is Whiskey 5 Echo.
On top, there is a light here that blinks to tell you what mode you're in. So this is in music mode because there's no
have a great
blinking.
day. QRZ, Whiskey
And then we'll
5
go
Echo.
to video learning mode, it's solid on. And then live learning mode, it starts to blink.
I had a Kilo Charlie 2 Papa Delta question mark. John in Jersey City. Yeah, John, you're 5x4 into Abilene, this Kilo Sierra, sir.
That's back to music mode.
All right, well, thank you so much, John, for the call. Have a good day in 7-3, sir. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Have a good day. Eisenhower Special Events Whiskey 5 Echo calling CQ and standing by.
And that was video learning mode I just switched it to.
CQ, 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 Eisenhower Special Event Station, Whiskey 5 Echo. Eisenhower Special Event Station, Whiskey 5 Echo calling CQ and listening.
That's still video learning mode.
Kilo Alpha 8 in the
And you see how the background noise just drops right out on him in the live learning mode that I just switched it into.
Right, Kilo Alpha 8, Bravo X-Ray Echo, Randy in Michigan.
Roger, near Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Let's try another signal. There's a nice strong signal right up above from him.
Hotel Quebec Tango. Okay, that's the one. Okay, KD9 Hotel Quebec Tango. You're 5 by 6 to 56 in Fox Kilo 68. Okay. QSL, girls off line 9.
This is still the live learning mode.
Echo Mike 69. QSL. Echo Mike 69. Got it. 73. Good luck. Whiskey Papa 3 Radio. Solar Eclipse QSO Party. Where is it? Whiskey Bravo 0. Foxtrot Bravo Tango. Kilo Quebec 4 Hotel Alpha Charlie. Nice signal. You're 5-8.
I'm going to switch him into music
Kilo
mode.
68. QSL 73. I hope everything is alright for you. What is your QTH? Yeah, Kilo Quebec 4 Hotel Alpha Charlie. You have that. My QTH is Arecibo, Puerto Rico. Arecibo, Puerto Rico. But I need your grid square. Do you know your grid square? Yes, QSL.
I'm going to switch him over to music mode.
Because I don't keep it with me. Arecibo, me encanta esa ciudad, mi isla, QSL. QSL. Muchas gracias.
It's like kind of a richer sound to him, but you can still get a lot of the background in music mode.
Lo necesito para el concurso este. Lo necesito. Kilo Quebec 4 Hotel Alpha Charlie. Okay. And
that's live learning mode.
we need to have your if you have it there. Do you have it there? Yeah, standby. Let me check it out in the QRZ because honestly, some of that I don't keep with me, QSL. Yeah, then I looked up too many. I can't look up anymore. If not, I will find it for you, loco. Lo encontraría para ti, pero ya lo busqué bastantes veces y no me deja.
And if we look over here on the 705, you can see the only thing that I have turned on for internal filtering is the auto notch.
Roger.
So if I go into function, you'll see that the noise blanker is off and the noise reduction is off.
That is correct. Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin, located halfway between Milwaukee and Green Bay, right on Lake Michigan. Roger.
So this is music mode.
Okay. So we have you listed in the log there. Anything we can do for you, sir? Nothing today. Just wish you a fine day and make some contacts. KB5 said JU. We'll be clear. Thank you. Roger. I like your. I'm looking at your shack on
And then there's the video learning mode, the live learning mode, the third mode.
Got a pretty active tower there. Yeah, I got a lot of
Alpha Bravo 3 Alpha Hotel QRZ.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
November station again. Kilo 0 Victor November 438 York Class Adam. Number one. What was your state? Your state over? All right, thanks for the Arizona. QRZ Alpha Bravo 3 Alpha Hotel.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf 439 York Class Adam.
All right, you are number one on my log, number one in my log. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. Thanks for contact.
All right, Roger. And I didn't get the state. Your state, over?
Texas, Livingston, Texas.
Sorry, one more time. Your state, over?
Texas, Tango X-Ray.
Roger. South Texas. All right, thanks. 73. QRZ Alpha Bravo 3 Alpha Hotel.
There we go, another 5-watt contact. The Trivolo U speaker from BenQ. I think that it worked out really well. If you have never worked with an external speaker on your radio before, you are missing out. First off, the little dinky speaker that the 705 has built in, there's no dynamic range on it. The thing is so small and so tinny, and it's trapped in such a tiny space, you're not going to get any movement out of it. You need something bigger if you're going to do it. And this thing is battery operated and it is small enough to be considered portable, especially since it has the DSP technology built into it that works really well. You heard it in the video. And it has a microphone built into it. The only thing you're going to get better than this would be if they did it in a headset that you could wear on your head. That would be cool too. But this speaker has been fantastic. If you'd like some more information, there are links in the description down below. And I am personally looking to get some more subscribers on this channel. I want to break 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. We're at almost 18,000 now, so it's possible with your help. There is a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.